what's happening right now is pretty hilarious. This is I'm trying to show you guys automation in action. Basically saying that the person who's contacting me. All right, so as you guys know, I'll back up a little bit. Basically, as you know, I contract with other notaries that are in the area, and I'll implore you to do this because when you work with other notaries that are in the area, then you learn, you can see the gaps in their operations. You see the holes, and you see where they make mistakes over and over and over and over again. Hey, Cynthia, what's happening right now is in like real time right now. There's a person who's looking for a notary, and they call one person, they call another person, they call another person, and they're basically shopping around getting the cheapest price. But listen to me. When I say reach out to other notaries, this is the benefit of this. Because regardless of who this person is calling, it only matters if you're available. That's the only thing that matters. Okay, your price doesn't matter. Your hours of operation doesn't matter. Your logo doesn't matter. The only thing that matters is if you are available right now. All these notaries that this person is contacting for a marriage certificate, whatever it is, it doesn't matter what the document is. They're just trying to get something taken care of. They're calling around trying to see who got the lowest price. And I don't care if you do that. That's fine. That's up to you. What I'm saying is all of these people that they're calling is coming back to me. So this person called 3 other notaries, including me, so 3 total. And I just got a text message from the notary that they eventually went with that says, go inside the bank. She's there. Tell her we'll get her when she's finished. Okay. So this person called 3 different notaries. So 2 of the people who I work with have reached out to me and said, hey, Tech, are you available? And I say, okay, yeah, I'm available. Blah, 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 blah. What's the person's phone number? And they start reading off the phone number. And I said, wait a second. That's the same number that other person who just called me. And they say, oh, yeah. Oh, really? How long ago? I said, 15 minutes. I said, oh, they called me 20 minutes ago. They're calling around trying to get the cheapest price. But here's where you take over your area, right? This is how we talk about the Takeover Blueprint with the Notary On Automation course. It's not the price. It's not the issue. People just want to get things done. It may be the price to you. It may be something cheap or something too expensive for you. But people want to get their stuff done. And obviously this person's trying to save money. But by you having this omnipresence, as Tiger likes to say, this omnipresence, being everywhere, eventually it comes right back to you because it's all based on availability. You may call another notary on the other side of town. They may not be available. You may call another notary on that side of town. They may not be available, but they want to book this appointment. So they book the appointment, and then what they do is they call me because I've already embedded myself to try to help these other notaries, and I'm available. And eventually comes back to me. So here we go right now. So live here. Hello? Hello?
Okay, so where are you?
I'm getting ready to walk in right now. I'm just finishing up something right now.
Okay, good. All right.
Okay. You got a name too and all that? You? Yeah. Okay. Got it. All right. I got it. All right. Yeah. I'll be right there. Bye. All right, so I didn't want to put that on speaker because I knew something probably was going to be shared. But here we go. So this should be interesting. It should be interesting because this person might either recognize my voice. I don't know. Maybe not. I don't know. But this is real life, right? This is in action. I don't just say this stuff and then just like say, hey, well, that's a possibility. No, I'm showing you this actually happens all the time. You develop. Listen, I don't know. I'm evolving my stance on marketing because if your aim is to build a relationship with somebody in hopes of them giving you work, then that's a really good objective. But first, there's something that you have to do before that. There's a step you got to take before that, and that's actually service them. Actually do the service. If you're hired to do a particular job, particular appointment, then do that first. The focus of building in a relationship, it will come from you doing the service. Effectively, you do the service, you'll build a relationship with the person. They'll find you reliable, and they'll use you in the future. So when somebody is needing a notary, and this person they've used you in the past and they like you, if you've already if you demonstrate that you can actually go ahead and do this, which is the only thing you can do. It's the only thing you can do. All you can do is sign. All you can do is show up and stamp a document. That's it. If you've demonstrated you can do this for this particular person, it's endless. It's literally endless. So I'm going to go in and then perform this notarization, demonstrate that we can get this done. Oh, goodness, I got to walk around the front. And from this, let me walk around this way. And from this appointment, oh, yeah, we'll use you in the future. Oh, okay. Next time we need somebody. Okay, yeah, you do this often? Okay, well, rather than you Googling every time that you need something signed, here's a link. You can save this on your desktop. Click that button. Next thing you know, I'll show up at your doorstep. I'll show up at your office. Completely automated. You don't have to call me. You don't have to email me or text. All the information is there. Your name, the location, identification, number of signatures, all the stuff is there already. And let's get this taken care of. I'm the last person you ever have to look for. You know exactly where to find me. And because this might be a private issue, I'm going to turn it off. Otherwise, I'll take you guys along on this journey. But there's another appointment I have coming up at an emergency room. And that would be a good one. That should be a really good one. But I'm going to close this off. All right. Hope you guys have a great day. Go exactly where you want to do.